Welcome to the island of Tenerife, my friends, and look at the view behind me. We've got Costa Adeje, Playa Las Americas. The place is looking beautiful as always. Don't you just love Tenerife? Because I do. I love coming to Tenerife. Now, in today's video, my friends, I thought I would do something different. I'm going to travel from Playa Las Americas all the way to Costa Adeje, and we are going to see how many places or how many restaurants and pubs do a €1 pint. And also we're going to stop off and have one at a bar if we find one. That's if we find one, we're going to stop off and have one. But we're going to count to see how many we can actually find between here and Costa Adeje. Now this video is a wee bit different. I'm not going to walk all the way. I'm actually going to take a mobility scooter. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I have hired a mobility scooter to take me from Las Americas all the way to Costa Adeje. There's two reasons for that. One, I hurt my foot last night and it's a wee bit sore, so I can't really walk that much. And two, it will be a lot quicker if I actually got the scooter and travel from Las Americas to Costa Adeje. I thought it would be easier and more convenient. I can put the GoPro on it, and I thought to myself, you guys probably enjoy that journey. It's a bit smoother and we can look together to see how many places are doing a €1 pint. Now check this baby out. You know what I mean? It goes about 5 miles an hour, but it does the trick. I've got the Insta360 on the front of it. It's like being on a motorbike but on a scooter, but it's very, very handy if you are struggling with mobility here in Tenerife. The hills, or if you've got a sore ankle, they're quite simple to hire. I done this one online. It came the next again day at the hotel. This was €85 for the week, so I've just took it for the week, even though I've still got another 4 days after that to stay. But I've got it for the week. I charge it up at the hotel for free. Nobody's going to steal it. It's no hassle whatsoever. And I mean, if you have an injury, get one. But you also see a lot of people using these regardless of mobility or if they actually need one. But there's plenty of them on the island of Tenerife, so if you want one, head to Google. There's plenty of websites, order one. You'll get the best deals online. If you turn up to excursion places, they might be a bit more costly, so just remember that. Now I'm going to hop on my scooter and we're going to continue along Las Americas to see how many €1 pints we can find here in Tenerife. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I still haven't seen a €1 pint yet, but we're not even halfway along Playa de Americas. We're coming up to the Veronica Strip, where all the nightclubs are. We've got Sol Tenerife on the right hand side of me just now, Aberdeen Steakhouse. Still haven't found a €1 pint, but have you spotted one yet? And I've just missed it, but I'm still looking. The road isn't really good for scooters, I'm going to give you that. There's a lot of cobbles and all uneven, so it's a wee bit bumpy, but we're going to continue, so let's continue on. I still can't find that €1 pint. can't find it yet. All these bars are like €3, €4. I mean, this must be the expensive bit of Tenerife. Oh look, €1.80, but it's not €1. So we'll continue on to try and find that €1 pint. But that's not good enough, guys. We need to find that €1 pint. 180 is not good enough. But we'll continue on. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what area of Tenerife, back up a wee bit, right, can you see me now? Right, what area of Tenerife do you guys like coming to? Do you like Las Americas, Costa Adeje, Los Cristianos? Maybe you like the other side of the island? Let me know in the comments. I mean, my favourite is going to be Las Americas. Costa Adeje is a wee bit hilly than Las Americas. There's more flat, there's more to do in Las Americas, there's more bars in Las Americas, but everywhere's got something to do. It's just how you like it. I mean, different people like different things, different hotels, people love different hotels. I mean, personally, I try not to stay in the hotel twice, but if I do stay in the hotel twice, it really needs to be like proper good quality food, service. Just everything needs to be perfect. But we're still on the hunt for the €1 pint, so let's continue. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I have found the €1 pint. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have found a place with a €1 pint, and it's San Miguel. Wow, what's this place called? Bona Bona. Is that Bona Bona? Bona Bona. Tapas, fish and seafood. Bona Bona. But we're not going to stop here, guys. We're going to continue for a wee bit longer. Actually, should we stop? You do a €1 pint?
Yes.
Right, everybody back home wants to know how many places are still doing a €1 pint?
€1 pint every day, every hour.
Every hour you do it?
Every hour is full, every hour, Bora Bora.
Bora Bora.
Yeah, the number one Bora Bora guy.
Hey, right, I'm coming for a €1 pint.
Yeah, no problem.
Right, let's go in, guys, and get a €1 pint.
Almost.
I would like a €1 pint, good sir, and give me a Coke Zero as well, please. If you've got a pint of Coke Zero, that would be awesome. Yeah, that's fine, brilliant, thank you very much. And guys, see, I've just parked the scooter up here, so I've got the scooter parked, see, very convenient, and I'm going to enjoy my first €1 pint in Tenerife. Hey, thank you very much, sir. Coke Zero as well, thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. There you go, guys. A €1 pint here on the island of Tenerife. Now, am I in Las Americas or am I in Costa Adeje? I'm still in Las Americas. So I found a €1 pint, one place that does it in Las Americas so far. Right, okay ladies and gentlemen, that was a wee bit noisy with the generator next door, you know what I mean? I didn't know it was going to be that noisy, but there's a place next to it, there's a place next to it as well that does a €1 pint. So there's two places that do a €1 pint right next to each other, and we're still in Las Americas. We're just about to go into Costa Adeje, and we'll see how many places we can see in Costa Adeje that does a €1 pint, but they're not as common as what they used to be. They're more like €1.50, €2, €3 for your fancy places, but we're going to see how many other places we can see. But we're going to continue on, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video, so just make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, guys, and let's continue on. Past everybody here, they do €1 pints. There you go, there's another €1 pint, guys. €1 pint of beer, the Golden Beach. So this is technically classified as Costa Adeje. So that's one place in Costa Adeje. So it's 2-1 just now. Oh, it's bet. There's another place. 2-2. Two places. And two places in Costa Adeje that do €1 pint. And it's right on the beachfront, guys. What a great view. Wow, so it's 2-2. Looks like Costa Adeje might win this. Costa Adeje could have the most €1 pints in Tenerife. Yes, I'm going to say something, right? This scooter is so easy. Like, I've hurt my foot a wee bit, and I know I'm not milking it on that because I have actually hurt my foot. But look at the view you get, relaxed. I'm not breaking a sweat or nothing, and I'm getting a tan. Oh. Such lovely views. Oh, what did they do? Oh, they did a €1 one? No, they did a €1. No signs. Oh, I love Tenerife. Absolutely love Tenerife. I cannot wait till Sunday till I'm going at these quads. I'm going through Daniel, the crack master. I'm going through his company. There's a pint of beer for €1.50, guys. So not a €1. Yeah, I'm going through his company. Met him today. Spoke to him today. Nice guy, nice chap. He's really busy, so really couldn't talk much. But maybe in the future we can have a drink and a beer. Really nice guy. Really friendly as well. So yeah, make sure you book with Tenerife First Excursions. And guys, look at that view, man. Honestly, it's absolutely gorgeous here. You can see Las Americas right there, and then oh, it's absolutely stunning, guys. Who loves Tenerife? I do. Hands up. These apartments on the right hand side, can you let me know in the comments? Is that a hotel? Right guys, I am lost. How do you get from here to down there by the beach? Is there a lift? I'm going to have to find a way to go around, and I'm missing a few places that maybe be doing a €1 pint. But I'm in, all these flies, man, God. I'm in Costa Adeje, and I've only got maybe another half mile to go, and hopefully find another place that does a €1 pint. But let's continue, guys. Right guys, so we're going to see if any more places do. You've got the Tasty Corner there, they don't do a €1 pint. Oh, what else have you got? You got a lot of bars and restaurants in this area. That's a fact. Does that bar do a €1 pint? Nope. That bar doesn't do a €1 pint. What about the steakhouse? They do a €1 pint. No one's doing a €1 pint down here whatsoever. Why not? Why does no one want to do a €1 pint? What's the cheapest then? If it can't be a €1 pint, oh, there you go, guys. €1.50. There you go, that's €1.50. That's a good price, but still not €1. You've got the Sky Bar. They definitely don't do a €1 pint. And that place there on the right hand side, I'm passing right now, that definitely doesn't do a €1 pint. Actually, we went there yesterday and it cost me €3. I sat right there, that table right in front of you where that guy is on the phone, and it cost me €3 for a pint. Shocking. Right, so this journey has been epic. I mean, look at the beach, guys. Absolutely gorgeous beach. Right, to any of these places there, €1 pint. Let's see. Right. Right, €1.50. So it looks like it's not going to be a winner. Looks like Costa Adeje is not going to be a winner. I've only seen 4 places that do a €1 pint between here and Las Americas. 4 places. There used to be more than 4 places? I'm guessing so. But €1.50 is still a good price, but it's not a €1 pint. Well, that's it. We've got one restaurant here, guys. This is the final restaurant that is on our journey. Let's see if this place does a €1 pint. Can it be victorious? Nah, no €1 pint there. Unfortunately, no €1 pint. Right, guys, I'm just going to scoot out of action here and end the video there, guys. Now, as you can see, we never found many places with a €1 pint. We found 4 places. Did I miss any? Let me know in the comments below if I missed any place. But we didn't travel the whole of Costa Adeje. There's still maybe another, what, couple of 100 yards or something at Costa Adeje, maybe half a mile. But along the beachfront, no, we can't. We could only find 4 places, so there's no clear winner. You can get a €1 pint, and usually the bar next to it does a €1 pint also competition. But this has been a great journey, guys. I have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video too. I'm going to get back to the hotel. I'm going to jump in the pool. This scooter is magic if you've got any mobility issues. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click that bell for notifications, and I'm going to scoot off. See you later.